Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can point your domain from Godaddy to the hosting of host without changing a name server. Let's take an example. If you bought a domain and email from Godaddy and you bought host from your hostinger and you don't want to change the name server and you also want to be pointed towards the hostinger, you can easily do it. Let me show you how. First, in your hostinger host, you have to first add a domain. As you can see, I had added already. Then what you have to do is you have to go to the hosting, then plan detail. Then you will see website IP address here. As you can see, I can't show you. So as you can see here, then you have to came here. You go to DNS. Then what you have to do is add a record like came here. Here you can add the rate. What value you have to do add is you just have to copy here and paste it. Then this should be the default and save. And you can easily point it to the hosting or host without changing the name server. And you also can use your email as well. What you have to do is from like in this section, there will be also a record in like it will be written in parked. So you have to delete that. And after deleting that, you have to wait for a while. Then you can easily install, and then you have to come here and you can install WordPress from here easily. And just you have to do is copy this IP address, add a record like this. That's all, nothing. You just have to do that. You can easily do it. If you have any doubt, let me know in a comment below. I can definitely help you with that. So guys, if you really like the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to it, and see you in the next video.